Yo, Tony G, what's going on, man? What's going on? Yo, stream is starting in a few minutes. Okay, let's get to it, guys. Let's get to it. I'm literally just coming back from a run, so I'm a little bit fatigued. But the show always goes on, man. The show always goes on. Ain't that right, my people? The show goes on. Always. Okay. Let's get this screen ready and show you guys what we got up to today. Trading. The way we trade on a day-to-day basis. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know how we do it. You guys ain't even telling me the screen isn't even on, bro. The screen wasn't even on, bro. The screen wasn't even on, bro. Yo. I need to turn the other screen on first, or else it overlaps each other. Yo, much better, much better. So yeah, I had a GJ trade we before I stepped out. So before I even get into that one, let's talk about NFP first and foremost. Like NFP went nuts in my opinion. It actually went nuts. So we'll take a look at NFP on gold and NFP on GJ US 30, whatever you guys request. Yeah, I was bearish on GJ. Yeah, I actually was bearish on GJ. Like last week with unemployment claims, that Thursday, it was giving bearish opportunities, bearish signal, bearish outcomes. You know, however, it turns out that, as you can see here, the following day with NFP, things just went left. And when I say left, I really do mean left. I was expecting price to shoot all the way to the downside here. It never did that. This is literally leading up to NFP, leading up, leading up, leading up. This is at 130, which is the NFP candle actually. Yeah, so this is the NFP candle here. Boom. She just exploded. Then from that point, you're just trying to wait. You're trying to scope. You're trying to get the right opportunity to just strike, you know. So it's one of those things, patience, like a tiger, like a cheetah in the jungle, like a lion in the jungle, like a shark in the sea. Patience will really pay off here, you know. So I'm even on I'm on the 1 minute time frame right now. So like price was just zoom, boom, 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 boom. Maybe at around, I don't know, 2 o'clock you could have maybe found quick entries, 2 o'clock leading up to 3 o'clock. But with these entries, your stop loss would need to be tight if you're looking to make profits, if you know what I mean. This is at 46. Boom, boom. Like, this is, I would even say 10 pip stop loss. This ended up pushing to 1 is to 3. Yeah. Pushed up 30 pips. So, even with a 10 pip stop loss, you could make a little something, like literally a little something on a nice tenor pipper, on a pipper McGee. So even look at how it looked like on the 3 minute. Like we got the break, got the retest here. Boom, from that point, this ended up flying, literally flying all the way. Imagine catching a 1 is to 12. Damn. But yeah, that's that. Chat is very quiet. What's going on, man? What's going on? Chat is extremely quiet, fam. I mean, if the chat is quiet, that's no problem for me. Still, I can just sit here and relax in it. Did you do the live trade or LIP? Nah, man. I did not. I had a one-on-one session though while I was trading it, but I didn't trade it live on like socials or anything like that. If that's what you mean. Man, it doesn't matter what I think. Really and truly, it actually doesn't matter. Some EAs work, some EAs don't. Like I have an EA. It's good for passing challenges and only challenges, nothing else. So yeah, EAs is just like it is what it is at the end of the day. It is what it is at the end of the day. Like sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But the one thing I will say is never fully rely on an EA. You know, never ever 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 fully rely on an EA. Never ever ever. September the 6th. Let's see what happened on September the 6th on the 3 minute time frame. September the 6th. But yeah, like what I'm trying to say is basically EA's like it's an expert advisor at the end of the day. It's not an expert on its own. It's just an expert advisor. You know what I'm trying to say here? Do you know what I'm trying to say? September 6th, NFP. It came out negative. At around 2:45, we followed suit. 2:45 followed suit. 2:45 followed suit. August the 2nd, August Alsina. What are you telling me, brother? August the 2nd. But how was everybody's week? Did anybody actually trade NFP? Did anybody actually trade NFP though? That's what I want to know. This was a big NFP move. Boom. Panic, 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 panic. Chico time. This would have been an easy NFP. Literally break, retest. Gonzo. Literally gonzo. I actually bagged on NFP. Let's go. What were you trading, my man? What were you trading? NFP. What pair? I'm gonna take a wild guess here and say you were trading gold. I'm just guessing you were trading gold. You know, just a guess. A random guess that you were trading gold, I bet. I'm just guessing you were trading gold. This beat is banging. Sold gold, got a cool 30%. Alright. Alright. 30%. It's literally one of those ones. If it's not gold, it gotta go. If it ain't gold, then it gotta go. If it ain't gold, then it gotta go. Gold, then it gotta go. If it ain't gold. A win is a win, bro. A win is a win. A win is a win. So I'm not even mad at you, man. Literally. A win is a win. And I'm happy that you see it like that as well. Some other people will be complaining, saying this, that, and the other, man. I should have made more P's. But it's like, yo, anything above zero is a win, in my eyes. Anything above zero is a Winsky, Winsky, Walensky, Godinsky, Godinsky. October 10th. So we've got big news coming up this week. Let's not forget, yeah? We have C-Unit. Baby girl, all I need is a little bit. Let's see what happened on September 11th. September 11th. Let's see how far we can go actually before we go to September 11th. We can go to June or July. July 11th. July 11th. July 11th. Okay, we sold off hard on July 11th. We left no breathing room. Literally, there was no breathing room. Immediately at 1:30. Yeah. This one left no prisoners. CPI left no prisoners, man. It literally left no prisoners. There's nothing I can even backtest on that. You get me? I can't even do any research on that one. That was July the 12th. Let's check out August the 14th. August Alcina. For August 14th, it was negative. June, July, August 14th, it was negative. August, it was August 14th. Yeah, the impact on August 14th wasn't even like anything. So yeah, stay away from CPI. Negative, to be 7, but yeah, like August it was dead. So dead. So somebody said, Michael, are you still here? Drop a fire or something if you're still here, and we can take a look at CAD JPY. We take a look at CAD JPY. Take a look at CAD JPY. All right. All right. So tell me, what's your bias? I'm not just gonna give you my bias so you can feed off of it for free. You know how the game goes. Tell me what are you thinking first and foremost? You get me? What are you thinking? What's your views? What do you think is gonna happen on CAD CHF? Sorry, CAD JPY. March. I have not looked at this since March. From the looks of it, since March. February. God damn. Yeah, February 29th was the last time I looked at this. That's how I know that's one pair I never trade. Brother, you're giving me unserious energy here. Like, you're asking me to take a look at something. Like, give me more. You're buying on what time frame? Like, I'm just wasting my time here. There's like, look how many time frames there are. There's the 1 second, 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 minute. What time frame are you buying on? Like, break it down for me too, you know. I'm not just going to give you my energy if you're giving me half energy, bro. Come on. It don't work like that. It's give and take, not just give, give, give. You know? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Buying weekly, daily, bullish. I agree with you. I agree with you. Weekly. The weekly is bullish. Definitely bullish. TP 111.20. Let's go. 111.20. 111. Now we're talking. See how it's like that. Now we can bounce off one another. What's a 4 hour saying? Like, yeah, 4 hour, it's a clear uptrend. Doesn't get any clearer than that. 24 hour. I would say there's a supply zone chilling somewhere here, so be patient and wait for price to come down here. Your patience will be tested. That's one thing I will tell you. Your patience will be tested. That's one thing I will tell you for free. Boom. Like, we are in a clear uptrend. You get me? The trend is your friend until it ends. That uptrend is clear as day. Clear as day. So wait patiently for price to come to you. You don't go to the price, man, alright? Don't go to price. Let price come to you. Alright? Let it be. Let it be. Let the price come to you. Like, even right now, as you can see on the 5 minute, it looks like a clear sell. Clear sell. But there's so many like imbalance zones and fair value gaps that are that haven't been tested and touched and all that. So it's one of those ones. Like, price is definitely gonna come down here to 108, 152. That's where price is gonna sell to. 108, 152. It's up to you to try and catch it, try and catch it. Exactly. So this is about 65 pips. If you get the move correctly, you can catch 65 pips on the way down. I don't know where you said your entry was on the way up, so it's one of those ones, I can't read your mind. But we're looking at a nice 300 pips. So in total, you can catch 364 pipperoo. Pip Achini. Pips Karuski. Pipero. That's why I be scalping on the 1 minute. I just entered at 264639 on gold. On the M1, it's still bullish until I eat. Let's take a look at that. So you got buys on gold, yeah? Gold. This is our NFP trade on gold, actually. We caught a nice 129. Fuck what you heard. I'm the best in New York, man. What you talking about, bro? What you talking about? What you talking about, nigga? What are you talking about? Just enter that 2646. 2646.39. Under 1 minute. Damn, bro. Damn, homie. I think you should have waited a little bit. You should have waited for price to come down like here, at least. Whenever I see a big move like this, I'm like, wait for price to come back. Then you can get a better entry to take it to the upside. But if I don't know what your entry criteria is as well, so like I can't judge. There's only one man that can judge, all right? 2647.34. 2647.34. That's your TP. What's your stop loss, man? What is your stop loss? On the 1 minute, your stop loss might be like 0 pip, man. Not even. What is your SL? Fuck what you heard. Who's the best in New York? Yeah, I see what you're saying with the retracement, but I have a tendency to miss those. My SL is 26, 44, 46. 26, 44, 26, 44.46. Broski, I won't even lie to you. This ain't it, brother. This is basically like a negative. It's not even a one-to-one, man. When you take trades like this, you just gotta ask yourself, is this worth it? Like, the stop loss is way bigger than the take profit, man. Even if your take profit gets hit, but it's like, if your stop loss was to get hit, you would have lost way more than you would have won, you know? Damn, man. What you need to do is join the 5P community team right here. That's what you need to do. All right. We have a real call happening in an hour from now. Calls every day where we can talk to you about this. Because, broski, I'll be honest with you. This ain't it. Your trades should look like this. The opposite. You know, your stop loss should outweigh. Sorry, your take profit should outweigh your stop loss. You know, not the other way around. But it is pushing though. But I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Come on. Take profit about to get hit. Take profit about to get hit. Pull up with a stick where it is. Anyways, the floor is yours for now, guys. Take profit hit. Nice one. Give you guys a few moments if you want to ask any questions. If not, I will catch you on Wednesday. So the floor is yours, guys. Is there any questions you want to ask? If not, we call it a day. Waste no time, you know. Bearish 4 hour gold. Let's see what the 4 hours say. Right now, I can't even tell you anything, bro. Like, it's just choppy. Like, there's nothing clear, in my opinion. Like, it's not clear enough for me, man. This is when, like, you could be bullish, you could be bearish. Let's just say you were bearish and you were right, and you're bullish and you're right. Like, it's one of those ones. It's like you don't know. It's not clear. But one thing that is clear is overall we are actually bullish, you know. But right now it's correcting, so it's like I wouldn't even bother looking at this. Like, this is how people get burned all the time trading gold. Like, in my opinion, right now there's nothing at all that's screaming buy or sell from what my eyes can see. I don't see a buy and I don't see a sell. I just see nothing. Does that make sense? Yeah, it's better to just wait. Like, if you're bearish, what you want to see is bearish movements. Like, you want to see break of structures. You want to see retests. You want to see something clear, lower lows and lower highs. This is just a guessing game. Like, in my opinion, this is just a guessing game. And it's only Monday too. It's like, yo, by Friday when we look at this whole thing is gonna change. Facts. On Friday when we come back and do a stream, what we're looking at won't even be the same because you've got CPI, unemployment claims, and all of the BS happening during the week. You know, so yeah. Mondays are slow and choppy. Yes, sir. But yeah, outside of that, guys, I think we'll leave it at that. Let's not waste no time. Yeah, let's just keep it, keep it real, keep it pushing, and I will see you guys on the next stream, which is going to be on Wednesday. So yeah, I've got another call I need to do now. So yeah, peace out, guys, and catch you guys on Wednesday with it.